Hello guys, now I'm going to the farm to do some work to the farm, and my wife is still sleeping. It's Saturday.
Are they in or are they out? Let's see.
Big man, get away, big man. Get away, big man. Get away, big man. Hey. Hey. Hey.
What are you doing today?
Morning guys, it's Saturday and Siaosi's obviously gone to the farm, as you know, and I'm off to the mall with my little man. Hello little Ellie, no way. Hello little Eddie. Here at the mall now. Oh, my sister never wants to be in my videos because she doesn't support me. She thinks that what I do is so stupid. No, she doesn't. But she just doesn't want to be seen on camera. My hair is so today. But I don't know, I want to get like highlights of streets. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? We are coming bed shopping. We're here at the clearance house. Ooh, oh my gosh, I want to try this chair. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, guys. I'm so relaxed. I need one of these in our room. It's got its own auto thingy. When Siaosi and I move out, I am going to get these chairs. Holy crap, maybe not. That's $5 grand. Almost $5 grand. I'm lying on a $5 grand chair, guys. This suits me. Don't you think, everyone? Party at mine! That is a really nice table. 1,500. What the heck? 15. Yeah. 1,500. I love furniture shopping. I have no problems with furniture shopping. I cannot wait until Siaosi and I buy a house, and hopefully we have enough money left over because I'm gonna get all things new. Like, honestly, I love this mirror. I really like white leather. There is just something about white couches. I just love white furniture. Stupid girls don't have elevators. That's a bit low. I think she wanted a high one.
Oh, okay, that was. Hi everyone. It's Saturday, but just finished from the farmer. Going work from the farmer.
We're gonna go to the movies tonight.
Yeah.
Are we? We're going to the movies. Can you stop drawing like that, honey? Makes me want to go your loco. This is my #1 fan. What's your name?
Delzea.
Delzea what?
Delzea Ramona.
Delzea Ramona Vaitutu. Me and my boy Dino is gonna have a rap battle right now. We're gonna freestyle. Alright. Alright. You ready for this? And it goes a little something like this. Dino has a smelly bum. His hair's so big and it looks so dumb. His breath is so smelly because he's got a big fat belly. Give us the food.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Victoria's bum stinks like Siaosi's tutu. What?
I won.
No, bro, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Yeah, bro, that's pretty good.
It's pretty full here at the mall, guys. There are so many cars here. Guys, we have so many challenges. Well, we've got like 2 backed up. So yeah, we'll see that soon. But I'm taking a break, a well-deserved break, because I'm always spending my weekends. Siaosi almost tripped. Are you alright? Trust Bobs to laugh first and then ask, are they alright? But I'm taking a well-deserved break because most of my weekends are spent editing vlogs. Aren't they, honey? And Siaosi does nothing. He just sleeps all day or night.
No guys, she's lying. I'm doing a video every night. I just upload.
Oh, please. I'll say upload first.
I upload it every night, waking up so long at 12 o'clock in the
Babe,
morning.
speak the truth.
Make my coffee to make my eyes still awake.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes,
Are you telling the truth?
I'm telling the truth.
Mai kusi. Fai mai le kusi. O ka kai pe pelo. E alu se ori. I'm pretty sure it's in Galatians. It's not a fruit of the Spirit. That's what I know. The mall looks so weird and it's dead, but there are so many cars out there. And you know what? When I was younger, growing up, we used to go to the movies for our school holidays. After we used to go to the farm, that used to be our treat. And I could not go to the movies. I swear I could not go to the movies without having chocolate, chips, and a drink. I couldn't do it. And it wasn't until I turned like 15, 16 and I started dating a high school lover, and I was so embarrassed. Oh my god, story time. I was so embarrassed to tell him that I had to go and get chocolate, chips, and drink, because like he was on a budget all the time. He was so stingy, this person, and would never want to waste money. And it wasn't until I started going often with this person that I realized it could be done. This is way before your time, honey, so don't get mad.
Yeah guys,
This is like 7 years before Siaosi. I was still in school, little moips. Guys, look at this place. It's so cool. This is popcorn, drinks, hot foods, tickets. It's got confectionery. That is so, it was such a good movie. We watched Wonder Woman, and oh my goodness, it was such a great movie. I just couldn't get over how beautiful that lady was.
Yeah, it's a good lady. Saved the world. If you watch that movie, what's her name?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Guys, it's such a good movie. It touches your heart because he's a not you deserve, but
It touched your heart.
yes, touch your heart. But it's not you can deserve, but you believe. You believe.
What, Johnny? Oh my god, he's trying to quote. He's trying to quote a line from the movie. I was not even scared, man.
Scared, eh? She's scared inside the movie. She hugged me. She's scared.
So we're about to go home now, but before we do, because Siosi's got to go to the farm tomorrow, and I'm getting my hair done. Don't mind this big TV that's like overpowering our voice. But we're gonna do comment of the day.
And the comment of the day I pick is Charlie. Thank you guys. I love how you are all so funny to each other.
Hurry up, honey, you're a lot better. I always read it. It's enjoyable to watch you all playing jokes and laughing and ending the night in a happy note. Such a beautiful family. I love it. Thank you so much, Charlene. God bless you guys. We love you. If you haven't seen or watched Wonder Woman, go and watch it. Morning, guys. I just woke up. I know I look a little bit and Siosi's going to the farm again. And I'm just about to have my breakfast. I've got a hair appointment today, so I've got to go to church. I'm about to go to my hair appointment now. And I haven't really bothered with my hair today because I know it's gonna be done. My dandruff is so bad, honestly. It is so bad.
Coming here at the mall, want some dinner. Look, my wife is here. She's so beautiful.
I love my hair so much, guys.
We have dinner here.
I'm so in love with my hair, guys. I don't know if you can see, but I'm just so happy. I'm smiling from ear to ear. This is my first time I've ever got my hair professionally done. I must admit though, they did do a dodgy job with straightening and curling, and that's because my hair is just, I'm very particular with the way that I like to straighten my hair, and it takes me a long time too because I like to get it perfectly straight. But this is what it looks like when someone else does it. They did attempt to curl it, which looks okay, but I decided to go with the balayage. I was meant to get like streaks, and then I decided last minute I didn't want the streaks, I just wanted to get the balayage. And when I was getting it done, Siaosi was just sitting there looking at me, and he was just smiling. Where are you, honey?
Because it's too expensive. That's why I smile.
He's such a liar. I saw him and he was just like, were you thinking, damn, my wife is such a hottie? What were you thinking?
I think, oh, damn. Where's the money?
Stupid.
When I look, it's so hot. She looks so hot, girl.
Anyways, we gotta order because I'm about to tear it up. I'm so hungry. I'm starting back on my diet, back to my diet on Monday, and no cheats, no fallouts, but just because I spent a lot of time at the salon and I missed my my lunch, my salad, so oh my god, this smells so good. This smells so delicious. So this is the all-you-can-eat ribs with chicken wings, and if you eat all of this by yourself per person, then you get another one free. But we ain't trying to do that because I don't think I could finish one all by myself. I tore my bit up. Siosi's still going. I am so full. I didn't really eat that much because I've been dieting for the past couple of weeks. And yes, guys, I have lost some weight. Thanks for noticing. And that's the reason why my appetite has decreased, because we got a waiter here who wants to make our YouTube channel.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting up your rib.
She's cutting the ribs for me because I'm the head of the family. Yeah? Hey, girl?
No, that's not why I'm cutting it for you, not because you're the head of the family.
Because of what?
Because I love you.
Ah, that's good. That's a good answer.
I swear, you're going to be seeing me all night, people. I just love my hair. You're going to be seeing me all night.
If you love your wife or your husband, just do special thing for her or for him.
Oh, babe, I would not say that. All of the women out there watching this are going to be like hassling their husbands because of you. They're going to be hustling their husbands like, take me out to do my hair. All because of you and your silly advice. Well, it's not silly. It's not silly. It's a very good advice.
Yeah, it's good advice. To make happy family and a happy couple. Yeah.
Well, I'm sure they need much more than just paying for your significant other's hair to be done. But hey, it's a start, and it is an act of love, a nice gesture. Also, you're taking the L. You're taking the L, bro. You're taking the L.
A.
What's an A?
A.
What's A?
Excellent.
It's E. They left this nice little note for us. She just took down our YouTube name. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Lisa.
Lisa. Nice to meet you, Lisa. And thanks for having us here at Lone Star Rib House.
Thank you. Have a good rest of the night.
You too. It's freezing cold, guys. That girl was so nice. And then she just wanted to be in our vlog. She probably thinks we have like 50,000 subscribers. I'm so extra with my hair, man. Extra, extra.